How to Binance registration বা register the Binance first Binance register. You can go now Binance app, then Binance register your email address, then fulfill password and complete your registration Binance account. Then you can Binance crypto 3 step: buy Bitcoin or 99 plus cryptocurrency with 50 feet current currency, and then buy and sell crypto Binance, where you trade crypto 3 step. Binance is a safe source platform. Buy and sell cryptocurrency quickly using an extremely buy and sell process. You are just 3 steps away from the first Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others cryptocurrency. At first, registration from an account. Second, verify your identity. Then buy crypto. Buy crypto, buy and sell crypto. Find your account with traditional currency. User can easily buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency using a wide range of platform options, including bank transfer, credit or debit card, and cash. There are payment option everyone on Binance. We work only with verified and trusted partner to give you a source a small crypto buying experience. Binance accept a wide range of currency and make it easy for you to buy crypto using USD, Euro, CNY, তারপরে Indo, RUB and other fiat currency. You can also use a wide range of acceptable standcoin such as Binance USD and others to buy crypto. Once you complete the purchase, you will deposit your new crypto directly to your Binance wallet, a safe, simply way to the manage your crypto asset. You can immediately trade your purchase crypto on the product and service on the Binance platform.
How do I deposit, withdraw cryptocurrency on Binance app? With the Binance deposit or withdrawal function, you can transfer your crypto assets from your Binance account to other platforms or wallets. Let's take a look. How to deposit crypto on Binance. Let's take 10 USDT as an example to see how to transfer crypto from a corresponding platform to your Binance account in 2 easy steps. 1. Choose the cryptocurrency's deposit address on Binance. 2. Copy the deposit address and paste it on the address field on the platform you intend to withdraw funds. Log into your Binance account, select Wallet, Overview, Deposit, then select Crypto, select USDT. Choose the deposit network, and you will see all of the supported networks on Binance. BEP20 refers to BNB Smart Chain, BSC. ERC20 refers to the Ethereum network. TRC20 is a technical standard used for smart contracts on the Tron network. We can see the networks as different banks, and keep in mind that you cannot transfer your assets through an unsupported network. For example, although the BEP20 address and ERC20 address look similar, the BEP20 address handling fee is lower than the ERC20. Please do not choose an address due to the lower handling fees. Make sure to select a supported network. And if you choose the BEP20 as the deposit address, but the withdrawal platform only supports the Ethereum network, you will lose your digital assets. After selecting the deposit network, ERC20, click to copy the USDT deposit address. Next, open the platform or wallet that you need to withdraw, and copy the ERC20 address to the withdrawal address column. After confirming the withdrawal, the cryptocurrency will be added to your balance. The network confirmations usually take a few minutes, so please wait patiently for the transfer to be processed. And you can find transaction details under Transaction History. How to withdraw cryptocurrency on Binance? Let's try with BNB withdrawal and use BEP2 as the network to see how it works. Go to Deposit and select BNB. Under Network, select BNB for BNB Beacon Chain BEP2. Click to copy the deposit address and memo. Go to Withdraw and select BNB. BNB Beacon Chain BEP2. How do I deposit withdraw cryptocurrency? With the Binance deposit or withdrawal function, you can transfer your crypto assets from your Binance.
How do how to choose a network? BEP to refer to the BNB background chain. তারপর আচ্ছা, what is the Binance coin BNB and the how does it work? The currency and blockchain industry include Neymar's project and the asset aim at different goal. It is too uncommon to see project aimed at solving similar need. Survival crypto exchange exist for example, although each exchange may vary in countries and feature. They aim to give crypto trade place to save their asset in the broader sense. Sometimes a cryptocurrency exchange may have its own asset that is used for certain purpose on its related exchange, such a field discount on the trading platform. Binance coins of the Binance exchange is one such a crypto exchange asset. What is the Binance coins? BNB began an asset sold in Binance, becoming where Binance exchange user could play less trading field on the platform once the exchange launched. Since then, BNB has retained a role. Binance has expanded into more the digital asset exchange. Binance Coins history. Telling to the story of the Binance Coins beginner would provide difficult without talking about the history of the Binance exchange. Binance Coins was launched in July 2017 with the ICO. BNB token were displayed among various participants including angel investor and the Binance founding team as a part of the ICO. How does Binance coin work? BNB is crypto asset similar to the digital asset on the market in that its rise the fall in value as a people use and trade it. People can hold BNB in completable wallet of crypto exchange and send the coin directly to other platform. Otherwise, one might also wonder how to buy Binance coins. People can buy BNB via a number of events such as Binance on crypto exchange, for example, as always thought be sure to research and available by the any applicable. One more technical level, the year first blockchain of Binance is migrate to from the BNB chain. Previously, the Binance Smart Chain, the Binance chain. When consulting the BNB chain, Binance tailored the blockchain for optimal performance when it comes to traditional trending on chain based Binance DEX balance on this newly formed chain. Moreover, BNB chain transactions are followed by blockchain gas token called BNB, which stands for the build and build, no and Binance coin. The BNB chain context of the BNB Binance chain and BNB Smart chain. The former is focused on the BNB chain governments that allow BNB holder to participate it staking the violating. The latter is the consensus layer Ethereum virtual machine computable has multi-chain. BNB Building Binance spent some of its reserves each quarter to purchase back and burn Binance coin totally eliminated them. Binance has consulting performed quarter bar since 2017. Binance will continue borrowing BNB the coins every quarter until it has purchased and destroyed 10 million, 100 million Binance coin or half of its original maximum supply. The process of discards Binance coins supply and affected its rarity, which can potentially affect the asset value. Binance also something called BNB Pioneer or is a brand program which evaluated certain intents in which BNB holder uncovertly lost BNB and repair them deducted amount from the next BNB brand. What is the Binance coin used for? Binance coin uses come in the line with Binance growth. The asset initially started out as a vessel of rise from the Binance exchange. Binance quickly gained significant traction as a cryptocurrency exchange followed its 2017 launch. Binance grew from the exchange platform to more of the ecosystem under the Binance brand umbrella. Over the year, Binance has launched DEX2 blockchain prepare to crypto trading option, an option for crypto borrowing and more. BNB has growth in line with Binance explosion. User can use BNB coin to pay for the transaction the Binance exchange. The BNB coin has historically served as a method to fuel reduction on the Binance crypto exchange, with customer of the exchange paying lower fee by holding BNB and paying platform fee in BNB. Binance will extend the option of receiving a 25% reducing on trading fee when the paying using BNB until. Additionally, merchant can accept BNB a form of payment, giving customer more option in terms of payment method. Furthermore, BNB is used for the various things in entertainment industry from playing for the virtual gift to purchase lottery ticket. Binance coin may be used to invest in stock exchange trade fund and other asset on the varieties of platform. On some platform, BNB can use the say control it for the loan from. Some apps allow user to use Binance coin to split expense and pay friend and relative. BNB pricing and dynamic. In general, BNB price has historical functioned in the fashion similar to the other crypto asset trading on the market. Binance Coin's market cap has grown over the year, surprising valuation. During the Binance ICO, BNB sold the about 0.10 per token. Since Binance ICO, BNB has traded it way up in value significant, factoring a price tag of more than $600 per coin at the time. Each Binance coin is a very good investment. Its historical price rise likely yearly profit if buy entered and sold at the right time. Although going forward only the future will reveal where BNB price will head. Binance is regulation. After the Binance began operation in 2017, it grew into one of the largest pair in the crypto space. However, regulatory difficult notable suffered against Binance in 2021. Binance faced regulatory action from a number of regions in 2021, including the Cayman Islands, Japan, Malta, Netherlands, Malaysia, and the United Kingdom and Thailand. The United Kingdom Financial Count authorized, for the example, ordered Binance to the case all UK regulatory option in June 2021 because it lacked the necessary authorization, registration, or license. Similarly, Malaysia authorization responded by filing a criminal complaint against Binance for the operating and the unauthorized virtual asset service provide VASP the following month. Is Binance banned in the United States prior to its 2021 headwind? The Binance announced the removal of United States customer from its main exchange in 2019. although Binance opened a platform compatible with US user in the same year. The called Binance US is response to increased regulatory secret. Binance has stated that is intent to open additional offices throughout the world and seek license in its real it operate. Binance is also beefing up its compliance capability and research, as well as parsing out the restricted number of high risk terms.